We're all swinging. Let's swing some more. You don't need your passport to put an end to your back pain. You don't have to go over to France because Dr. Michael Pritsker is here. He's brought some new technology from France to you. It's at your office, and we're all going to be free of pain forever and ever.
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, let's talk about it. Let's get right to it. This is some new technology.
Yeah.
And, you know, there's something new every day, it seems. But this is the latest now for back pain. What is it?
Yeah, this is the latest technology, and it's from France. It's called Spine Force technology. And in France alone, they've had about 2,000 treatment centers that were successfully treating back pain, leg pain, osteoporosis, and fibromyalgia. And now it's been finally brought to the U.S., and we're bringing it here. And what it's specifically designed to target those back muscles that are responsible for causing back pain. It's the only technology that will actually strengthen those deep muscles in the spine that can get weak and cause back pain.
All right, here it is, the Spine Force. Okay, so what does it do?
First, it analyzes the muscles in their back. So if you have any type of weak muscles in the back, anything that's causing back pain, it'll first analyze it, detect that weakness, and then set up a program just to target those 180 deep spinal muscles that cause back pain. So
180?
180.
And I know this is always seems to be the problem, especially as you grow older, those muscles get weak in the back.
Yeah.
And then, of course, the spine takes the force. So this is Spine Force.
Yeah.
It doesn't actually strengthen the muscles. Right now, what's it? It's analyzing?
Right now it's analyzing. It actually puts you through a program of balance and coordination. So I'm sure you've heard of in the past, everybody says, well, strengthen those stomach muscles to make sure you keep your back strong.
Right.
No one's actually said, why don't you just strengthen the back muscles? And that's what this is designed to do. There's plenty of gym equipment and there's plenty of different things you can do to strengthen the stomach muscles and other things that support it. Now you can actually finally target those exact muscles that cause the back pain. So instead of just working on the supporting structures, actually target the back muscles that are causing the back problem. This allows you to do that. And this is really good because a lot of people who have back pain, it's very difficult for them to go and work out. A lot of times you'll say, well, I've got back pain. Well, go work out. It's better for you. Sometimes you can't do that.
Well, that's the rock and the hard place. Yeah. See, if I could just work out, I could strengthen the back, but the back is so painful I can't work out.
Yeah, we've got patients who've had excruciating back pain, even patients with fibromyalgia, patients with osteoporosis, with low bone density that are able to use this technology. They get quick results, they get lasting results, and it's absolutely phenomenal.
Well, now, this Spine Force machine then targets the muscles. Mm-hmm. All right, so what's the exercise that I need to do now for that particular muscle? It tells you what to do as well?
It will tell you what to do. Essentially, when you stand on this unit, it will take you through a balanced program. So if you find someone who has back pain, a lot of times you'll notice they have to use a cane sometimes because their posture's off. So it will detect if your body's pushing more on the right or pulling more on the left. It will detect that, and it will set up a program for you to do that. So the whole time while you're doing this activity, it's almost like a game. You're constantly trying to balance and coordinate each muscle in your spine.
Okay, so it does balance you then?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so the machine, you're standing there, it shows you how you should balance.
It shows you how you should balance, and it sets you up through that program. So within a 5-minute session, I mean, you feel sometimes like you've worked out for an hour, but it's only going to be in that low back.
Well, it does the workout for you then. Or it doesn't just point out a program and then you go get a little weight, you go get some weights and you have to do the twisting and turning.
Yeah, you don't
it does it right there.
It does it right there. You know, some of it's done for you, but really you're doing it with it. It's a complete unit. And like I said before, you couldn't really target those muscles, and now you can finally do that. So someone who's experiencing back pain, this is absolutely revolutionary.
Right. Now, but it doesn't do anything with the stomach muscles. You're still on your own there, right?
It actually helps strengthen the stomach muscles and the leg muscles, but primarily for the low back. And if you've got weakness in the leg muscles and the stomach muscles, what you'll find is when you're set up to do the program in this machine, it will actually detect that. And the exercise program that it will set up for you will be to strengthen. If you have weak stomach muscles, it'll work in the stomach muscles. If you've got weak low back muscles, it'll target those. A lot of times we'll do this in conjunction with other therapies like spinal decompression if someone has a disc injury. But with a lot of other doctors, they'll do the spinal decompression and then they forget about that supporting structure, which is the spinal muscles, and then the problem returns. With this now, you can finally get rid of your back pain immediately and forever.
Wow. So no more sciatica.
No more sciatica.
Oh, boy, that'd be fabulous. All right, for more information, go to fox6.com, but make sure you talk to Dr. Pritsker right here. All right, there's the information, all you need to know about your back pain. Now, to keep your bones strong, you may